Let us now look at how to make a power payment. Click on Power from the main menu. Fill out the form by entering your meter number. Some meters may have 11 digits, while others may have 13. Select the biller. Choose the account type. Click Proceed to validate the meter number. The customer name will be displayed. Enter the amount you wish to pay. Input your phone number and PIN, which by default is 0000. Provide your email address. You can add remarks if needed. Click Proceed to complete the transaction. After the transaction, you will see the receipt with all transaction details. You can print, download, or share the receipt. Once done, let us return to the dashboard. Let's perform another power transaction to demonstrate that you can conveniently process higher amounts. This time, we'll carry out a transaction of 500,000 naira. You can print, download, or share the receipt. Once done, let us return to the dashboard. Let's make an even higher transaction. This time, we'll click on the Power button under the Make Transaction menu to show that you can conveniently process any amount, even up to a 10-figure transaction. Now, let's proceed with a 1 million naira transaction. You can print, download, or share the receipt. Once done, let us return to the dashboard.